On this video today, I'm going to show you a high quality free traffic source that you can use to promote CPA offers to make money from home. This method is free. You are not required to have any skills. You are not required to invest anything. The best part is that you can use this method wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that we'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your CPAGrip accounts. Once you create your CPAGrip accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, select My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you are going to come right here and then search for Switzerland. So just type Switzerland right here. As you can see right here, this is Switzerland. So just click on it so that you can find offers to promote. Once you search for Switzerland, you can see these are offers that you can promote to people in Switzerland so that you can get them to submit their details for you to earn money on CPAGrip. You can see this one right here. The payout is $2.39. You can see another one right here, $12.74. You can see $9.41. There are a lot of offers that you can promote to people in Switzerland so that you can get paid anytime you get them to take a specific action. You can see this particular offer right here. The action required is to enter a PIN code. So once you get people in Switzerland to enter their PIN codes, that is a phone number, you are going to be earning $12.74. And you can see they have to do it on a mobile device. So once you get people to enter the required details, you are going to be earning the payout right here. You can see this one right here. Your potential visitor has to complete the offer on a desktop. This one too on a desktop. This one they have to complete it on a mobile device, and you are going to be earning the payout right here. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote to earn money on CPAGrip. You can see this one right here. If you get people to enter their mobile numbers in Switzerland, you are going to be earning $16.42. So there are a lot of different offers that you can promote. The next step is that you are going to select one of these offers so that you can find people in Switzerland to enter the required details so that you can earn the payout. So just scroll down and select the one that you want. All of these offers, they are good, so you can get people to complete them for you to earn money. So just select the one that you like. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to promote this particular offer. This is the offer that I currently promote. You can see my performance rate is 7%. The payout is $12.74. So once you get people to enter the required details, they are going to stand a chance of winning iPhone 13. So once they enter the details, you are also going to be earning the payout right here. So once you select the offer, the next step is that you are going to click on it so that you can get your affiliate links. Once you click on the offer, you are going to see a page like this. These are the details of the offer, and this is your affiliate link. You can see the warning here. This offer is only allowed in Switzerland, so you are not allowed to promote this particular offer to any person outside Switzerland. So make sure you take note of that. You can see the payout right here, and you can see the text is not English. So if you don't understand this particular text, what you have to do is that you have to just highlight and then copy the text. Once you copy your text, you are going to use Google Translate so that you can translate the text for your own understanding. So just paste it right here. Once you paste it, you can see the translation right here. This is the meaning of this particular text right here. Once you get to know what the offer is about, the next step is that you are going to build a simple landing page so that you can promote this offer for the people to take the necessary action for you to earn money. There are a lot of websites that you can use to build your landing page, but one of the easiest one that you can use is site.google.com. So just search for site.google.com. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Click on this particular option right here, blank, so that you can begin building your landing page. Once you click on blank, you are going to see a page like this. Just come right here, click on delete so that you can delete the page. Once you delete the page, the next step is that you are going to build your own landing page. So first of all, you can give it a name. The next step is that you are going to add some information right here. So just come right here and then click on text box. Once you click on that, you can see there is a text box right here. So just go back to the offer so that you can paste the title of the offer right here. When you come back to the offer, you are going to just highlight and copy the title of the offer. You don't need to translate this particular text because the people who are going to view the text, they are from Switzerland, so they understand the language. So just copy the text, don't translate it. Once you copy your text, you're going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. So just highlight the text and then increase the font size. So just scroll down and then choose any of the font size that you want. As you can see, that has been done. Once you choose the font size, you are going to center the text. So once you have your text, the next step is that you are going to add an image of the offer. The offer is an iPhone that your potential visitor can win. So what you have to do is that you have to search for images of iPhone 13 so that you can use it to build your landing page. So just search on Google iPhone 13. Once you search for iPhone 13, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, images. Once you click on it, you are going to find a lot of images. For example, you can see I'm using this image right here. If you don't like this one, you can select any of these images and then download it to your PC. To download the image, once you click on it, just right click. Once you right click, you are going to select save image as so that you can save the image onto your PC. Once you save the image onto your PC, the next step is that you are going to come right here, click on images so that you can upload the images. As you can see, this is the image, so just drag it and then place it in the middle. Once you have your image, the next step is that you are going to write a call to action right here. So just come right here, click on text box so that you can write a call to action here. Once you have your text box, you are going to type your call to action. Once you type your call to action like this, you have to translate it so that the people can understand. So just highlight and then cut the text. Once you cut your text, you are going to paste it on Google Translate so that you can translate it for the people to understand. So just paste your text here. Once you paste your text, you can see this is the translation. Click right here so that you can copy it. Once you copy the translation, you are going to send it back to your landing page. So just come back to your landing page. Once you are here, paste the text right here. So this text is now translated. The people will understand what it is about. Once that is done, you are going to highlight it. Once you highlight it, you are going to make it bold and then increase the font size. So just scroll down and then increase the font size. As you can see, that has been done. You are going to center this particular text. So just come right here and then choose the alignment. Click on this one right here and you can see that has been done. So once you have your call to action, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link here, so that when the people click through, they can then get access to the iPhone, and you are also going to be earning a commission on CPAGrip. So what you have to do is that you have to go back to CPAGrip so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you come back to CPAGrip, you are going to click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, what you have to do is that you have to highlight the text. Once you highlight it, you are going to click on this button right here, insert link. Once you click on that, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Once that is done, click on apply. And you can see the text is now linked to your affiliate link. The next step is that you are also going to insert your affiliate link right here. So just click on the image, click on the link button. Once that is done, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here, click on apply. So now we have a simple landing page. So you can begin promoting this particular landing page so that you get people to complete the offers on CPAGrip. So what you have to do is that you have to just click right here, publish, so that you can publish your landing page. Once you click on publish, you are going to see a page like this. Just type any web address that you like. As you can see, iPhone 13 free 22 is available. So this is the name that we are going to be using. It doesn't really matter. So just click right here, publish, so that you can publish your landing page. Once you click on publish, you can see it has been successfully published. So just click right here so that you can copy the link of your landing page. Once you click on it, you are going to click right here, copy link. Once you copy your link, you are going to preview it on a new tab so that you can see how it looks like. So just paste it right here. Once you paste it, you are going to just click on enter so that you can view your landing page. As you can see, this is the landing page. As I scroll, you can see this is your call to action right here. The next step is that you are going to begin driving traffic to this particular landing page so that you can get people to enter the details for you to earn money on CPAGrip. The next step is that you are going to come on this website, wholebackpage.com. This website is a free classified website that you can use to publish your ads for free. As you can see, you can publish your ad to anywhere in the world. As I scroll, you can see many countries. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to search for Switzerland. So when you come here, you can see Switzerland. So what you have to do is that you have to post your ad to Switzerland so that you can get the right people to enter the details for you to make money. So just click right here, my account, so that you can sign up for your free accounts. Once you sign up for your free accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. Just click post ads. Once you click on post ad, you can see they have three options. You can decide to post your ad for free. You can also pay for local ads. So just click on post free ad. Once you click on post free ad, you're going to select the location. So in this case, you want to post it to Switzerland. So just come right here, Europe, click on that. Once you click on Europe, you're going to select the right country. So we are going to search for Switzerland. So just scroll down and then search for Switzerland. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see this is Switzerland. Click on it. Once you click on Switzerland, you are going to select any of the cities that you want to post your ad. So you can just select any of them. So I'm going to select Zurich. So just click on it. Once you select the city, the next step is that you are going to select a category of your ad. So just come right here, click on community. Once you click on community, you are going to click right here general. Once you click on general, you are going to give a title to your ad and then a description. So you can just go back to CPAGrip, copy the title of the offer and then paste it right here. Once you come back on CPAGrip, just copy the title of the offer right here. Once you copy the title of the offer, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to paste your description right here. As you can see, this is my description. So in the description, you are going to just tell the audience what they are supposed to do so that they can get access to the product. You can see my description right here. You can see the call to action right here. Copy and paste the link below to get access now. So that is just a simple call to action. But we are not going to post this text because the people don't understand English. What they understand is German. So what you have to do is that you have to copy this text and then translate it to German. So just highlight the whole of the text. Once you highlight it, you are going to cut it. So just click on cut so that you can cut the text. Once you cut the text, you are going to come on Google Translate so that you can translate the text to German so that your potential audience will know what you are talking about. So just come right here, select English instead of German. So just scroll down, you can find English to select. Once you scroll down, you can see English. So just select that. Once you select that, you can see here has been changed to German. So just paste your text right here so that it can be translated. As you can see, this is the translation. So once your text is translated, you are going to scroll down, come right here, click on copy so that you can copy your text. Once you copy your text, you're going to send it back to your ad. So now we have our text translated. So just paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see most of the words are underlined. The reason why you have seen this is because the text is not in English. So it is normal to have the text this way. Once you paste your description, the next step is that you are going to copy and paste the link to your landing page right here. Just come back to your landing page. Once you are on your landing page, click right here, this particular button. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to click on copy link. Once you copy your link, you are going to search for this website, bit.ly.com. Once you are on bit.ly.com, just paste your link right here. Once you paste the link, click on shorten. Once you shorten the link, just click right here, copy so that you can copy your link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back to the description and then paste it right here. So just paste your text. As you can see, that has been done. So what we want to do is that we want to delete this portion because we want the people to get access to the link. So just delete it, because if you don't delete it, this website, they are not going to allow you to post the ad. But when the audience copy and paste this particular link into their browsers, they are going to get access to the product. But this website, they are not going to detect that this one is a link. So just leave it like this. Let me just copy the link. So just highlight and copy it. I want to test the link on a new tab for you to see. As you can see, this is it. So let me press enter for you to see. You can see the link has been redirected to the landing page. So this is what your potential visitors are going to see. Once you paste your link, the next step is that you are going to enter the age. For the age, you can enter 18, just like that. Once that is done, the location, you can just choose any location that you want. In this case, we are going to type Zurich. So just type Zurich right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you enter the location, the next step is that you are going to enter your contact email right here. As you can see, this is my contact email. If you want, you can enter your mobile number right here. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see add images. So you are going to upload images of the product. As you can see, this is an image of the product. So now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. You can see by placing this ad, I agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. So just check this box. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, I'm not a robot. As you can see, that has been done. Alright, once you've entered all the details, the next step is that you're going to click on continue so that you can post your ad onto the platform. So just click on continue right here. As you can see, placing ad. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see, this is the preview of your ad. You can see the details right here. So you are going to go through the details. If there is something that you want to edit, you can just come right here, click on edit ad so that you can edit your ad. If everything is correct, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on I'm not a robot. Just click on that. Once you click on I'm not a robot, the next thing is that you are going to come right here, click on place ad now. Once you click on that, you can see your ad posted successfully.